Folks, welcome back to the Ranch Network.
Welcome back.
And today we're going to do an unboxing.
Two unboxings.
Actually, we unboxed one already. We're
Yeah,
going to
I
unbox
guess
the
so.
other one for you guys.
Yeah.
So what was going on is our porch. It had terrible lights out there.
Yeah, dysfunctional.
How are they dysfunctional?
Okay.
Well, there's two of them, right? So they can be dysfunctional. They don't get along good as a family unit.
Well, yeah, part of the glass is missing. They're just ugly. They're mad ugly. They're muggly.
They're muggly.
They're
Yeah.
muggly.
So we're actually glad that Pia Ricco got a hold of us and wanted to do a collab and send us some, great lights.
Very nice, classy looking, and functional.
Functional, yeah.
Which is nice. It looks quality too. I love it. So you guys.
How do you know?
How
do you know?
I kind of had a look at one of them
yeah,
up there.
she dug right in the box at first. It
Yeah, I
came
was
to
like,
the house,
oh,
boom,
goody.
she's in the box. But we're gonna unbox this one for you guys. Okay. All right, let's see what we got in here, folks. No, I already know what we have in here. But this is for you guys at home. Ooh, check it. So, we've got our handy dandy instructions. You gotta have your instructions because you need a basic guide. So, for all those people that wing it, like us. So, it comes with a lot of great stuff. Okay.
Well, we're starting to get pretty good at putting up lighting.
Yeah, we're getting better.
So
at it.
yeah, because we're doing a lot.
Yeah. So, we're gonna need some basic tools and equipment to get this installation done. A ladder, which we got one of those at the house, right? Safety glasses. Got our safety glasses. We need some electrical tape, just in case. What else? Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Let's see, a pair of pliers. These are old, we need some new pliers.
No
And then it said some wire strippers. We got these here, these are some side cutters, whatever. And I can use these as strippers or whatever.
You know what I
use your
need?
teeth.
A scraper. I forgot.
I got a scraper, Jennifer.
Ah, thank
Because
you.
when you take down your old lighting, if it's been painted around there or whatnot, you're gonna have some
Lines.
smegma and different
Schmutz.
schmutz around
That's a new word.
And you gotta scrape the schmutz.
You gotta scrape
Scrape the schmutz. Okay. So we've got our tools. What
Now,
else do we
that's
have?
what I want to show them.
Take it out. Take it out. Let's see what we got. What the?
It fits very well. Let's put it that way. It's not going
So if you
anywhere.
guys are looking for a serious unboxing and installation review, you've came to the wrong place. You come to the wrong place. Look, I can't even speak.
Look at it, guys. Look at it. Would you just look at it?
So this is 12 inches, right? It's a flush mounting system here. And it's awesome. It's matte black. It resists corrosion. It doesn't fade. And yeah.
Oh, there's a
It's
lot
not
of
gonna
other
rust.
styles
It's
and
not gonna
varieties.
rust either.
I know, but there's a lot of other styles and varieties for people that don't want just the flat
I just
black.
want the flat black.
I do too, and I love it because I like the industrial farmhouse look.
Yeah.
It's perfect for our situation. But for other people that have little different looks, there's lots of different varieties if you check out the site. Now, we also got these gorgeous incandescent light bulbs.
Vintage look.
And they're kind of like this.
I think they'll go good in here.
They are so cool. I love these. Are like Edison bulbs that we've got. We got 4 of these, so they will kind of look like that, which is super cool. So I'm
this is gonna
excited
be
about
simple.
that too. Well, what the?
The problem, you got bugs on your Welcome to the workshop. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and we're gonna install this beautiful lighting from Pia Ricco. Let's go.
Yay! We're going. Hey, don't forget
Take the
these.
stuff. All right. Okay, so before we even start, we need to turn the power off. And what I like to do is turn the light on at the switch, go around, turn off the breaker. That way I know there's no electricity going to this light because I do not want to get electrocuted. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is drop this old light fixture. And we have to be extra careful with this particular type because once we remove these nuts right here at the bottom, this plate will come down and these glass panels will fall down. So we don't want to break any. So now I need to remove this light bulb to give me some room to work. There's 2 nuts here, and once I take those out, then this fixture should drop right down.
Pia Ricco has attracted many customers from America because of their 5 years experience and their quality interior and exterior lighting. Lighting is essential whenever adding or updating the home's atmosphere and providing functional element. Pia Ricco wants to help you create that warmth and cozy atmosphere for your home. You're not going to believe the classic look of these lights, from chandeliers, pendant lights, ceiling lights, lamps, wall lights, and much more.
Okay folks, so before we mount this plate up there on top to the junction box, we have to make sure a few things are in order here. So you've got these screws with these little fasteners at the bottom, these nuts, if you will. And you want to make sure that these are adjusted properly, because if not, the fixture won't fit flush onto your eave there. So we're gonna make some adjustments, and hopefully I'm pretty close, right? So those nuts are about, I don't know, a little bit bigger than 1/4 of an inch. So we'll give it a go and see if we can't get those adjusted right. That way our fixture sits up flush. So let's get to it. Okay, so Pia Ricco, of course, they give us 2 screws to hold this plate up here. And we want to make sure our this part of the mount right there is going east and west. So you want to have it just like that. That way our lights are both the same. Alright, so we want to tighten these screws up here in the center. Once we have it positioned, kind of orientated where we need to. And we can always readjust if we have to. We want to take our ground and attach it right to here. We got this green screw that it needs to attach to. So next up, now that we've got the ground attached, we have to attach the neutral and the positive wires. All right, so next up, we need to attach our positive to positive. And of course, we got our wire nut. And then we'll attach our neutral to our neutral, which is the white. We're going to need our 2 nuts.
Not only are they gorgeous, functional, and classy, but they are luxurious. I love them. And they match, guys. They're beautiful. We're gonna want these all over the place because they're so gorgeous. So I'm thrilled.
Folks, thank you for stopping back for another great product review.
That's right.
We've got these Pia Ricco flush mounted matte black lights that look awesome.
Yes, they're gorgeous.
Yeah, and the great thing about it is you can put them on your balcony, you can put them anywhere outdoors that you like, a hallway, whatever, and they're gonna look great.
Yes, they have a huge variety of different lighting, so check them all out and use our discount code.
Right here, our discount code. So TRN15, and get 15% off your total purchase. And I think you guys are gonna be really happy when you do.
Yes, you're gonna be really pleased.
See you guys
See
later.
you next time.